everybody, I'm back with another part of the loaded pocket tutorial that I'm doing. In the previous video I showed you how to build the basic loaded pocket slash flip book. I showed you how to put 3 pages together, they're all 3 pockets, and then how to do the front part with this little pocket here. So now I'm decorating. Now I didn't record what I did here. I just added another piece of paper and glued it on 3 sides to make another pocket here. And then on this side I glued down a Target Dollar Spots doily that I got last year actually, but I'm sure they have it this year. And I just used the same adhesive and I put that's just a backdrop for whatever I'm going to put on here. And then inside what I did was I took an envelope, folded in the flap because that's where the decoration was, and then just glue the whole thing down so that I have another pocket. So this is like chock full of pockets. Okay, really simple, really easy. But what I'm going to be putting in here as part of my gifts is some cards, but I also wanted to make a shaker. So let me just close this up. I have my fuse tool on right now. So this year I got this pack of 8 note cards from the Target Dollar Spot. Let me show you. I picked up a couple. Here we go. So this particular design is front and back, which is really cool. And then the inside is plain. Oh gosh, the battery is dying, of course. And then it comes with these envelopes. And as you can see, the actual flap on the outside is open. So this one, I adhered, you know how it has adhesive on the envelope flap? I just, glued that and then did this and then put glue and stuck it down. So, because I'm gifting a couple of these out with the cards, I'm leaving those out. But I'm actually using one of the cards for the shaker. I'll leave it as is. I have a scrap piece of plastic, and this is just one of the protector sheets that I use, but you could use the regular size ones too. This is from Target. You just need some kind of clear protector sheets that you can cut down to fit. So I'll be right back. Okay, so let's try to do this quickly because I just charged it enough to get this going. So I have a scrap piece that fits perfectly in here. You want to leave room around the edges for fusing. So I'm going to go ahead and just start fusing this with my fuse tool. One side is already closed, so we'll just leave that. And I've got my shaker stuff over here too, ready to go. So actually I need to also adhere this together. I just wanted to stay put, so I'm just going to use a adhesive runner just so it stays flat. Okay, we're just going to use both sides, and you can add to this maybe a word or something. Actually, I didn't do it last time, but maybe I'll do it this time. If I can find them. Oh, there we go. These I found at Dollar Tree. So I think we could use the word cute right up here. There we go. That's enough. We don't want to overdo it. So I'm going to slip that in, and I'm going to fuse the other side while that's in there. I want to make sure that I didn't, yeah, you see, yeah, that's not gonna work. I cut it instead because I pressed too hard. So let's, I don't know if it's gonna work with me going in further. See, I had this on for a while. Let's see here. Test it out this way. Make sure. Even though this plastic is pretty thick, but if you press hard enough, it'll cut. So let's see. Actually, before I even do that, let's see. Well, there's still room, but it's snug. I think it'll still work. Let's just cut the excess off. And put this in. And if you want to put a little message on the other side, you can. You want to make sure you have enough room on the top. See, now we have the pocket. And now what I'm going to do is bring my, this is just all Valentine's sequins and mixes. And I think I'm going to just stick to what's in here. So this particular mix right here is from Hobby Lobby, as is. Okay, and then this one is the packs from the Dollar Tree with white added to it. I added white to it. So I'm going to put some of that because I want some white. Some lips that I found. Could have been Hobby Lobby. And I think that's all I'm going to add. That's good enough. It's, you know, it's already snug. And these little plastic spoons, you get a pack of them. I don't know how many, but they are from the Dollar Tree. Alright, so yeah, they're still moving around. That's good. So we're going to fuse this now. And then we have our little shaker. Okay. So when you see that you're cutting straight through, then you want to move your fuse tool faster. You're still pressing down, but you just want to move it faster so you're not burning it to the point where it's cutting through. Okay. So there's my shaker. It's done. And it's going with a couple of the cards. I'm going to turn one backwards so that they could see both designs, the same with the envelope. So it all shows. And I'm going to be decorating some more, of course. And then this goes here. Alright, so I think, yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you how to do this little shaker. You could put it anywhere you want, of course. You could tape it in and make it a flip, because, you know, that's one of the things that used to do with the flip books is make everything like little flips in here. Alright, so my battery's dying again. I've just had enough. Thank you all for watching. See you guys next time.